Okay, everyone. So, we will do our very first reply with a video. Sana tama. Anyway, kakaligo ko lang. So, mag-ano muna tayo ng filter with flower. Anyway, so it says here, this is from Miss Feliz or Miss Lilies. I hope it's correct kasi wala akong salamin ngayon. Reading glasses na ang lola mo. Anyway, do you still keep in touch with your batchmates? Well, yes, I do. We actually have a Facebook Messenger group. Meron kaming messenger group na nandun lahat ng housemates, all 13 housemates ng season 1. Pero hindi lahat active kasi busy na yung iba. Meron ng dalawa na nasa ibang bansa. Si Jenny nasa States, tapos si Uma nasa New York na siya. And then everyone else may family na, ganyan. And then siguro yung iba sobrang busy lang. Huwag niyo naman tanongin sa akin kung sino sumasagot at sino hindi sumasagot. Pero I might just answer. but anyway, a lot of us still keep in touch and a lot of us still talk in the chat room siguro every month or twice a month may mga mag-hi, mga kamusta, ganyan. So, ayun, we still keep in touch. And guess what? I was decluttering kanina. And I found this. I just wanted to show you. So, this is one of the pictures na binigay ng PBB sa amin before. Tapos, ayan, sponsor pa nga namin tong Fujifilm. And sayang, natanggal. Sa sobrang tagal na nito, 19 years na ba ito? Nawala na yung ibang muka ng mga tao. Oy, di ko tinanggal yan nawala talaga siya. Nakita ko lang sa box kanina. Sasabi ko, sige nga, magte-tiktok ako today. Hindi masyadong active, pero, so, ayan, ano ba yan? Yung buhok basa pa kasi. Anyway, so, ayan, ito yung pinapamigay namin dati. So, actually, meron akong, version nito. Meron akong version nito na may pirma naming lahat. Yes, or except one housemate yata. But anyway, ayan, so ito, kita nyo ba? Pinapamigay namin to dati sa mga mall show. Kasi dati, wala pang social media talaga noon. Tapos, if you would like to see us, pupunta ka talaga sa mga provincial or mall shows namin or mga show namin sa ABS. And nagbibigay kami ng ganitong picture. Totoong picture siya. Di na yata uso ngayon ng mga totoong picture, sad. Pero ito, totoong picture siya. Na-keep ko pa siya. And andyan yung mga housemates, and then binibigyan namin, nilalagyan namin ng dedication sa likod, ganyan. Sobrang cool. Try ko hanapin yung mga ibang memorabilia kasi nung lumipat kami dito sa bahay last year, actually mag-1 year na kami dito sa bahay. Nung lumipat kami dito, naitago ko pa, nabigay sa akin ng mom and dad ko from our old house, yung mga memorabilia, yung mga pillows, yung mga puzzles, yung mga magazines. Dati may PBB magazine, diba? But anyway, so ito na. I hope I was able to answer your question. Yes, we do still keep in touch. And yung lagi kong kausap actually, if you guys want to know, si Uma, kasi kahit nasa New York siya, he's always sending me stuff on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp. And then si Sam, a little bit, medyo busy kasi ang lolo Sam mo ngayon. So, ayun. And then, also Nene, Chicks, and Cass in the chat room are always there. And then si Ate Raquel, paminsan-minsan, Jenny, ganyan. So, and si Rico, who's busy with his YouTube videos. So anyway, guys, have a great day. Mama. Till the next.